Welcome back to KO8S. Today we're bringing you an exclusive look at the stunning Toyota Hilux Revo 4x4 in a striking red color, a true blend of ruggedness and style. As we dive into the exterior, let's start with the front. The bold, muscular grille makes an immediate statement, flanked by sharp LED headlights that enhance its aggressive stance. The sleek design of the front bumper, combined with the powerful LED light clusters, makes this vehicle not only functional, but also aesthetically striking. Moving to the side, the Toyota Hilux Revo 4x4 reveals its athletic profile. The well-defined lines and sculpted body give it a dynamic and commanding look. The large alloy wheels are designed to tackle any terrain, with rugged tires built for adventure, while maintaining a polished, sophisticated finish. Notice how the side mirrors seamlessly blend into the design, adding to the vehicle's streamlined look. As we move toward the rear, the Hilux continues to impress with its robust design, featuring bold taillights that complement the vehicle's modern silhouette. The high-mount rear bumper ensures durability, making it ready for any off-road challenge, yet maintaining an elegance that can be appreciated on the streets. Now, let's step inside the Toyota Hilux Revo 4x4 and explore its premium interior. The first thing you'll notice is the striking red upholstery, which adds a bold and sporty vibe to the cabin. The front seats are designed for ultimate comfort and support, with ergonomic contours and high-quality stitching that emphasize luxury. As you shift your focus to the dashboard, it's clear that functionality meets sophistication. The center console features a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with controls for navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, equipped with multifunctional buttons, ensures that everything is at your fingertips. The rear seats are just as impressive, offering ample legroom and headroom for passengers. Whether it's a long road trip or a quick city drive, the interior is designed to deliver maximum comfort and convenience. And don't miss the thoughtful details, from premium trim accents to smart storage solutions throughout the cabin. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of the Toyota Hilux Revo 4x4, its petrol mileage, benefits, and of course, the price. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Hilux Revo 4x4 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine, this truck delivers an impressive mileage of approximately 10 or 12 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails, the Hilux ensures that you get the most out of every drop of fuel. But it's not just about mileage. This truck is packed with benefits that make it a standout in its class. First, the Hilux Revo 4x4 offers exceptional durability, built to handle the toughest terrains with ease. Its robust suspension system and high ground clearance make it perfect for off-road adventures, while the advanced traction control ensures stability in challenging conditions. On the comfort front, the Hilux Revo combines rugged performance with luxury. The spacious cabin, premium red upholstery, and state-of-the-art infotainment system make every drive enjoyable. Safety is also a top priority, with features like multiple airbags, ABS, and advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring peace of mind for you and your passengers. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The price. The Toyota Hilux Revo 4x4 offers incredible value for all its features and capabilities. Stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll reveal the exact pricing details and show you why this truck is worth every penny. Whether it's fuel efficiency, versatility, or luxury, the Hilux Revo 4x4 is built to exceed your expectations. Make sure to watch till the end for the final price breakdown. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The price of the Toyota Hilux Revo 4x4. This exceptional blend of power, luxury, and reliability starts at just $40,000. For everything it offers, from rugged off-road capabilities to premium interior comfort, it's an investment worth every penny. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support our channel KK Autos. Stay tuned for more reviews, updates, and everything you need to know about the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.